Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Muhammad Umar. I'm your English instructor. Let's start our lecture. Here's the bridging and here is the answer of that bridging. I hope you have solved it. We have belief number 29 in which we have to learn about, recognize and use the present forms and functions of the present perfect tense. Let's start. The mystery of the unknown past. Sometimes we know something happened, but we do not know exactly when. The present perfect tense builds a bridge from that unknown past right up to today. When you have to talk about an action which happened in a recent past, you use present perfect tense. For example, we have talked before, we are not sure, and this is unknown past, and when we have to talk about it, we use present perfect tense. It's a bridge, specific past that bridge to now. We also use this tense when an action starts in the past and is still happening right now. The action builds a solid bridge connecting then and now. He has grown impatient over the last hour, and the action is completed. Let's see what formula we have to make this sentence. First, we have to use subject, the doer of the action. Then we have auxiliary verb, has, have, and past participle, that is third form of verb. And lastly, we have object. When we combine these puzzle pieces, we make a affirmative tense of present perfect. To state a fact, we line up our puzzle pieces in normal order. First the subject, then our power word, which is helping verb, followed by an action which we have to write in third form of verb, and lastly object. Here's the formula. In this, we state a fact. We declare a statement. The dog has left a footprint. In second example, we have subject, they, helping verb or auxiliary verb, have eaten, third form of verb, and lastly the pizza, which is object. Similarly, we have third example, I have found the key. When you have to deny the evidence and when you have to tell you did not do the action, you use negative tense. In this, when a clue is false, we need to make our sentence negative. We drop a not block right after our power word, or which we call auxiliary verb. Here we can see we just add not here after auxiliary verb, which is has or have, that make it negative tense. For example, the thief has not stepped in the puddle. The parrot has not escaped. Again, we add not in it to make it negative sentence. Then lastly, we have not touched the cake. Here again, we are denying the fact that we have not touched the cake. Then we have interrogative sentence in which we interrogate or we ask a question. To ask a question, the subject and the power word magically swap places. Don't forget the question mark at the end. Here, just you place your auxiliary verb, or which we call helping verb, in the start. After that, you have to write subject, third form of verb, which is past participle, and lastly object. And here's the main point. Whenever you are going to write an interrogative sentence, you have to add question mark at the last. Let's see the example. Have you seen the glowing gem? Here we place have in the start, which makes it interrogative sentence. Has she found the secret map? Have they fixed the machine? Now let me tell you a fact about auxiliary verb. When your subject is a singular, you have to use has with it, and when your object is plural, you have to use have with it. Like they represent more than one people, that's why we are using have with it, and she represent a single person, that's why we are using has with it. And here's the formula of affirmative, negative and question. Okay बच्चों, by using this rule you can talk about an action which happened in the past and which have completed. Here's our focus, solve it in your class. Here's a homework, solve it at your home. Okay बच्चों.